Hey, Moko, this is where you get your good looks from.
Yeah, you look weird. Hey, how long you been giving pianos away for?
What?
Says here that you're an organ donor. Funny, eh?
Yeah, I'll do the stink jokes, thank you. Organ and blood, actually. Not that anybody would want my organs because I think I've worn all the best bits out.
Ooh. But isn't blood tapu? Are we allowed to do that?
Well, different whānau have different whakaaro, but personally, I wish that more of our people became donors. Yeah, I decided a long time ago to give blood.
Why?
One of my cousins was in a really bad motorbike accident and I felt helpless.
How come?
Well, he needed blood and lots of it. I'll never forget the look on his mum's face. So that's when I decided.
I need to start giving blood again. I used to go every 3 months in my lunch break.
That's right, yeah. See, that's the thing. Māori are keen to take blood, but we're not as keen to give it.
Well, it is the ultimate koha.
Kia ora.
Hey, Mum, if I needed blood, could they give me, like, boys' blood?
Yeah, if you're a match.
Ew, that's disgusting. Hey, Koro. Says here that Maui fished up the North Island with his grandmother's fish hook.
Yeah, that's right. See, us Māori, we've been doing this stuff mai rāno.